Hello, I'm David Fouts, and I'm here with an article analysis on bullying bias, Making Schools Safe for Gay Students by James Fleming. I'm going to be answering some questions on the next few slides, but first I'd like to show you an example slide of how my presentation will be organized. In the title of each slide will be the question that I will attempt to answer. The main text will be the answer and some analysis on the topic. With that in mind, let's proceed to the first question. What is the main purpose of the article? The main purpose of the article, Bully Bias, is to advocate the use of LGBT clubs and support groups, such as the GSA, or Gay Straight Alliance, to promote a safer and more accepting school environment for LGBT students. The main point of view of the author is one of a third-person observer or a reporter reporting on statistics and observed changes in attitudes at a California school that has implemented a GSA club. What is the key question the author is addressing? The key question here is, how do schools create an environment in which bullied students, both LGBT and otherwise, feel safe at school? What is the most important information in this article? The most important information here is statistical evidence and anecdotes about how the GSA has improved the overall learning environment in a California school where it was implemented. What are some main inferences and conclusions in this article? The main inferences and conclusions of this article are that the GSA and other school clubs similar to it are the best way to create a safer environment for bullied LGBT students. What are some key concepts we need to understand? First, we need to understand that bullying is a very real problem in schools across America, and that bullying creates an unsafe environment that is detrimental to the overall function of the school, as well as its goal to further the growth and education of all of its students. What are the main assumptions underlying the author's thinking? The author assumes that the GSA and other similar clubs are the best answer to the bullying of LGBT students, and that this solution would be effective in every school in America. What would happen if we take the author's line of reasoning seriously? If we took his reasoning seriously, schools across America would begin to implement clubs and organizations such as the Gay Straight Alliance, and we will see a dramatic decrease in bullying of LGBT students. Now, what would happen if we failed to take the author's line of reasoning seriously? If we failed to take the author's line of reasoning seriously, schools will continue to operate as normal, and bullying would continue. And this would be much to the detriment of bullied LGBT students. This concludes article analysis number 1 on bullying bias, Making Schools Safe for Gay Students by James Fleming. I'm David Fouts. Thank you for tuning in.